How to identify animals using Google Lens. Are you guys facing issues to identify animals using Google Lens app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Google app on your mobile device. Once you open the Google app, you can see the icon for Google Lens over here. Click on it. After you click on it, now place your camera to the animal and tap on the source icon. After you click on it, Google Lens will provide the details regarding that certain animal. So as you guys can see the information about the animal, that's it guys. That's how you're gonna identify animals using Google Lens. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Google Lens, make sure to comment down below. Bye bye.